Hello friends, welcome again. Today we will be discussing narration. Now, first of all, let's really understand what we mean by narration. Narration means if somebody has said something to me, now I have to report it to someone else. I can do it in two ways. Either I can directly tell what the person has said to me, or I can express in a different way. When I report in the way the person has said exactly the way that time I am doing the narration in direct speech. I am using the direct speech. Whatever he or she might have been said, I am just quoting it directly. But in the indirect way, I am changing, I am rephrasing it. So in indirect we rephrase it, and in the direct we just tell whatever has been said to us. So in the direct, the reporting of the words without making any change and the statement said by the speaker should be under the inverted commas. It is when we write the direct speech, we use inverted commas to quote whatever has been said. For example, Ram said, then we add a comma. Inverted commas, what have Ram said? I am writing a letter. So whatever has been said by Ram has been quoted the way he has said. So it is in the direct speech. Now in the indirect, the reporting of the words with making changes and the statement said by the speaker should not be under the inverted commas. Now we have changed. We have made change accordingly and we have removed the inverted commas. So in the direct, Ram said we had comma. Now in the indirect, we say Ram said that. What Ram said? What he said he was writing a letter. Now what was he doing? He was writing a letter. We have reported it in the indirect speech. In the direct, we just put an inverted commas and reported the words which were exactly same said by the speaker. Now the direct and the indirect. The way of speech in which the actual words of the speaker are repeated, as I said, is called as the direct speech or the direct narration. He says, I am ill. It's directly what he said. Now for the indirect, the ways in which only the substance of the speaker's speech, what is the main thing he said, is given, is called as the indirect speech or indirect narration. Example, he says that he is ill. There are two parts of the direct speech, the reported speech and the reporting speech. Now let's understand what is the reported speech and what is the reporting speech. As you can see from the example, the teacher said, comma, then the inverted comma, who is next on list. Inside the inverted commas, whatever is there is called as the reported speech. Means the group of words written in the inverted commas are known as the reported speech. The things which has been said are directly quoted inside. And which are the group of words which are written out of the inverted commas are called as the reporting speech. Means the teacher said is the reporting speech, and inside the commas it is the reported speech. Now there are some rules that we need to keep in mind while changing from direct to indirect. What is it? Let's see with the example. He said, I am writing a letter to my friend. He said, I am writing a letter to my friend. He said that. We'll use for indirect that. Now I gets converted to he. So the first person, that is I, my, we, our, us of the reported speech. As we know that the reported speech are inside the inverted commas is changed with respect to the subject of the reporting speech. Outside the inverted commas, he. So I become he. He said that he was writing. So the present tense gets converted to the past tense. He was writing a letter to his friend. So the first person I here gets converted according to the subject of the reporting speech. Similarly, in the second example, the boys said, "We are going for trip." The boys said that they. Here we becomes they. They are going for trip. You said to me, "I have done my work." You said to me that. Here I becomes you, the subject. You have done your work. Let's see the second. It was for the first person, now for the second person. Second person, you and yours of the reported is changed with respect to the object of the reporting speech. Reporting, let's see with example. I said to him. Him is the object of the reporting speech, and the second person changes accordingly. I said to him, "Your letter did not reach me." I said to him that. Yours becomes his. Him, his. Letters had not reached me. Jill said to me, "You are a good fellow." See. Sajwal said to me that I was a good fellow. He said to Amjad, "Your handwriting is nice." He said to Amjad that his handwriting is nice. So the second person changes according to the object. Him, me and Amjad. So your becomes Amjad's. In reported speech, inside the commas, he, she, it, his, they, them, her, hers, theirs, him, its does not change. There is no change in the third person. I said to him, "He is not good boy." I said to him that he is not good boy. She said, "It will rain today." She said that it remains it. He remains he. Her remains her. As the third person, there is no change to the third person. Now, some more examples. When the reporting verb is in the past tense, the direct speech, if it is in the simple present, gets converted to the simple past. Let's see an example. Alina said, "The boys write letters." Present indefinite will convert it to be the past indefinite. Alina said that the boys wrote letters. Present past. Second, he said, "I am writing a letter." Present continuous will get converted to the past continuous. He said that he was writing a letter. Third, present perfect will get converted to the past perfect. She said, "I have finished my work." She said that she had finished her work. Saval said, "I was writing a letter." Past continuous gets converted to the past perfect continuous. Saval said that he had been. For the continuous we use had been writing a letter. For the auxiliaries, am gets converted to was. I am, so he was. Am gets converted to was, is also gets converted to was, are, were, have, had, has, had, will get converted to would, shall will get converted to should or would. Direct can, could, may, might, does not, did not, does not also gets converted to did not, had not, has not, had not, have not, had not. So, now to indicate the nearness and the farness. For the direct speech, if it is now, it will in the indirect it will get converted to then. Asma said to Mahila, "You want to do this now?" Asma told Mahila that she wanted to do this then. Now becomes then. Here, there, hereafter, thereafter. Thank you.